What is social justice? Before we jump into the specifics of liberal perspectives, let's clarify what we mean by social justice. In essence, it's the idea that everyone deserves equal economic, political, and social rights and opportunities. This includes things like access to education, healthcare, housing, and a fair chance to succeed in life, regardless of one's background or circumstance. The welfare state, a tool for social justice. The welfare state is a system where the government plays a role in protecting and promoting the economic and social well-being of its citizens. This can include providing social safety nets like unemployment benefits, healthcare, and education, as well as implementing policies to reduce poverty and inequality. But the extent to which the government should intervene in these areas is a major point of contention within liberalism. Liberal perspectives on the welfare state. There isn't a single unified liberal perspective on the welfare state. Instead, there's a range of views, often influenced by different interpretations of core liberal values. Classic liberalism. This approach generally favors limited government intervention in the economy and social affairs. Classical liberals often see the welfare state as a potential threat to individual liberty and economic freedom. They may argue that it creates dependency, discourages self-reliance, and distorts market mechanisms. They may advocate for targeted assistance for the truly needy, but are wary of broad-based social programs. Social liberalism. This approach takes a more expansive view of states' role in promoting social justice. Social liberals generally believe that the government has a responsibility to ensure a basic level of well-being for all citizens. They may support robust social safety nets, universal healthcare, and progressive taxation to reduce inequality. They argue that these measures are necessary to create a truly just and equitable society where everyone has a fair chance to succeed. Libertarianism. This approach is the most skeptical of the welfare state. Libertarians believe that government intervention in the economic and social affairs should be minimal. They emphasize individual responsibility, self-reliance, and voluntary charity. They may argue that welfare state is inherently coercive and violates individual rights. The debate continues. The debate over the welfare state and social justice is far from settled. It's a complex issue with no easy answers. Liberals of all stripes agree on the importance of individual liberty and equality, but they differ on how best to achieve these goals. Some prioritize individual responsibility and economic freedom, while others emphasize social solidarity and government intervention to promote equality. Balancing act. Finding the right balance between individual liberty and social justice is a constant challenge for liberal societies. It requires careful consideration of the different perspectives, weighing the potential benefits and drawbacks of different policies. The goal is to create a society that promotes both individual freedom and social well-being, where everyone has the opportunity to thrive.